And if you're looking to change the turret end out on your 1998 Audi A6, it's a pretty simple process. All you basically have to do is remove this top bolt here. It's a 13mm socket. Once you have that removed, which I suggest doing first because this little nut actually holds the whole spindle piece in place. So you'll be able to actually remove that top bolt. Then you'll be able to remove the nut. This basically will remove down. Sometimes you have to use a little bit of force, but be careful not to mushroom anything. Once this drops down, you'll actually be able to remove this part here, and you'll need a wrench and possibly a pair of really beefy channel locks, or in some cases a pipe wrench, because they can be rusted in place. Be careful not to put too much pressure or stress on this rack, because the rack, if it's bent too far one way, you could actually damage the rack. So if you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment below. I really appreciate you watching this video and hope it helps out. Have a great day and thanks for your time.